Here's the situation. When you work in a 2D only environment, it's easy to miss common errors like improper component placement and unintentional overlap. If these mistakes aren't caught in design before product goes to assembly, it will be time-consuming and expensive. SOLIDWORKS PCB has unique capabilities to display, check, and edit the board in 3D, allowing me to look at the finished product as if I were already holding it in my hand. In our project, we have a tight enclosure, which means a dense board layout. I can easily set up a few component clearance rules, and the design rule check will highlight any violations. If I have placed components too close or touching, I will immediately see a violation appear. This might not be obvious in a 2D environment. Then I can quickly adjust the placement, and after my changes, the violation disappears. At the product level, as an electrical engineer, I have the option to run interference detection with the enclosure as well. But don't forget, since I already have integration to SOLIDWORKS assembly, the mechanical team could tackle this with their own tools. As I get ready for release, I can leverage my 3D visualization to capture screenshots for my assembly instructions. I simply configure my desired output images, and now my deliverables are more clear, aesthetically pleasing, and representative of reality. This increases the clarity of communications with my assembly house. Because SOLIDWORKS PCB is 3D aware, I can also output a model of the board that includes a representation of the components, mounting holes, vias, and all the copper traces. The mechanical team can use the high-resolution geometry to complete final validation and verification inside SOLIDWORKS CAD. Tasks like mass and center of gravity checks, thermal analysis, and product renderings. SOLIDWORKS PCB is able to think not just in 2D, but also 3D, exposing clearance issues well before assembly and adding a lot of downstream value for your mechanical and manufacturing teams. This gives you more confidence that you have it right the first time.